DaVinci Resolve. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and today we will do information about how to create a new video, how to do it, because and many people still asking themselves and know, okay, how to use the software. We know how it uses, but this is just some general advice now. So, if we now create some new project, we can just click on this one. So, test a demo, for example, here. And you need some clip of any video. So let's just look for some clip. For example, one of my videos would be a good clip here. So you can just drag and drop here, and of course, yeah, the project rate, frame rate, you can change it. And I would recommend to leave the good section because the edit is much better. So you have here the media pool and the effects. You can open them and close them again. So as well as the inspector, which you should use. And yeah, in general, you can here, for example, go just drag and drop this video into the timeline, and then this will create. So yeah, if you want to look, you can definitely uh, start the video wherever you want, and you can as well shift here, shift here to start the video from somewhere else, or maybe click this how you say Control B, yes, Control B, and then you can do a cut in the video, so you can unfold it into multiple sections, but if you want this. So yeah, let's just get this back, and we need to leave this empty space. We can also just go to the edit, and then I think there's something here, delete the gaps. So yes. So now we want to, for example, only only a small portion we want to. So this is the test demo now. So we have some different video here, and we want to deliver it. We want to create it. We need to go here, and you have some options to create prepared on the top. But in general, you will just use this one, the H265 master for the YouTube videos. Test demo YouTube, and yeah, location you can put in your videos folder, for example. And it will be a MOV file if you say QuickTime, but it can also be a MP4 or anything else. Encoder, I would do the auto, and of course hit a 265. Timeline frame rate, if you are unsure about that here, you can go to here on the gear icon, and then you see the timeline format. So we can do a little bit more if you want to have more strength, but yeah, in this part here, video monitoring, this is only about the edit page, the editing process of the video. So now we have 4K, we can add to render queue, and I would put final folder, test demo.mov, and then you can render. And that's how easy it is with the DaVinci suites. And we'll just wait until it goes. And I can already say thank you for your attention. It's very good to do those helpful stuff videos. And yeah, I like to make you happy. And I like also if the test demo has been created
So much a lot
successfully.
for
So
our data.
now
Take a
here's the
long
video, and we also have this sudden cut in the middle somewhere.
topic
We
in
should
20 to 30 seconds to use the over be
maybe I
to
don't find
from
yeah.
based on ours.
So in general, there's not nothing more to say. This is the process on how to use the DaVinci suite for your advantage. And yeah, I will catch up in the next one with you guys. You are reaching out so much to me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next guide video. Thank you.